Welcome, I'm Lisa Marie and I'll be guiding you through this short morning meditation. This is the perfect way to get yourself focused and in a great mental place for your day ahead. I recommend firstly to sit up comfortably and turn off any distractions. Let's begin. Start by closing your eyes and relax your shoulders and begin to breathe slowly in and out through your nostrils. And just be aware of how each day is a new day and an opportunity to start again. As you breathe in, count to 6, and as you breathe out, count to 8 in your mind's eye. If you notice yourself becoming distracted, just guide yourself kindly back to your breath with no judgment. Be aware of where your breath begins and ends. Can you increase the depth of your breath? Inhaling slowly for 6, exhaling for 8. What does your ideal day look like? See it clearly in your mind's eye. What are you going to accomplish today? How will that make you feel? Still counting your breath in and out, knowing this ideal day is what you deserve. Feeling it's going to be perfect for you. You are starting to feel motivated and excited about your day ahead, knowing you have the opportunity to achieve anything you set your mind to today. Feeling empowered and in control, recognizing that you may be challenged by outside events. However, you can choose to stay in this place of calm, peace, and serenity. Also knowing you will be guided and protected throughout your day, and remembering to listen to your intuition and to notice the divine breadcrumbs. Take a few more big, expansive breaths in, and as you exhale, open your mouth and sigh. Starting to feel super energized and ready for this fantastic day ahead. And begin to move your fingers, your hands, your shoulders, and your head. Open your eyes, stretch up towards the sky, inhaling deeply. And as you exhale, make a big groan and say out loud or to yourself, "I've got this." Thank you. Have a fantastic day.